Hey guys, Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna go to the start and finish series. In the previous parts we made a drop and a breakdown. So in this part we're gonna focus on the build up and the arrangement. So what we made so far sound like this.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em. But I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em. But I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. Niggas they trash to get 'em. What? I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em.
So let's continue working on the project. So now let's start off with the build up. So we're gonna completely fill it up with risers, snare drums, all that kind of stuff. So let's start off with some effects. Some downlifting.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em.
Of course some risers. So fit it to the tempo.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah.
We're gonna use shorter and longer ones, so again fit it to the tempo. But we leave from the last bar empty. So then just cut them so they only are playing in the build up. Let them fade in some more. Just like this, then lower down the volume. So that will give us solid foundation. Then we're gonna add a reese bass, one steady note. Sounding like this.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash.
Well, we're automating the pitch, so
What? I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah.
just like that. I think we're gonna go for 2 octaves.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em.
Yeah, that could work. So
The niggas they trash to get 'em.
select straight automation clip
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah.
and just make it pitch up.
Trash to get 'em. What?
Just like this.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash. What?
Then we're gonna add this downlifter as well.
I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em.
Top drop could be removed because I have a reese bass for that low end.
What? I'm running the
Copy
race
over
and
that
I'm
fast.
fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas.
We're gonna add a kick to it as well. So
In the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em. What? I'm running the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em.
just like that.
The race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah.
Besides that, we're gonna sidechain the reese.
All of the race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash to get 'em. What?
When the kick's playing, so
I'm running the race and
only at this part.
I'm running the
So besides that, we're gonna route all the risers to the same channel.
they trash to get 'em.
I'm gonna sidechain this as well.
Race and I'm fast to get 'em. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash.
Just to add some more energy to it.
What?
winning the crash as well, so let's add a melody loop to it as well.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas got chance to get him. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas got chance to get him.
Then we're gonna add a drums filter, so just copy them over and bring them down where there's some space for them. So make sure to filter the drum bus.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas got chance to get him. I'm running the race and I'm
Just like this. I think the volume of the breakdown is a little bit too loud right now, so we're gonna just lower it down a few dB. Just like this. So then we're gonna add some snare builds to it. So we're gonna use the snare roll we always use from the Dirty Tech pack. This one. So fit it with tempo. And just add it in and we're gonna filter it. So create animation there with a lot. I'm gonna sidechain it. Just like this. Okay, it could be a little bit louder, so we're gonna bump it up a few dBs. So now it's time for more risers. So let's add these effects. And let's see how they sound, so fit them to the tempo. So first let's add a siren sound. Sidechain it. Then we're gonna add this riser. Right to the riser channel and make sure to cut it lows. So now I think it's time to add some more automation. So we're gonna use the endless smell and a low cut on the master channel. So first I EQ in. And create animation clip with a low cut.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas.
So just let it open up in a build up.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.
Quite slowly. A little bit too slow right now, so after that we're gonna use endless smell. This is a real game chaser. In your build ups, it will add way more tension to it. So let's use this preset. This is basically a washout effect.
All of the niggas that change, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas that change, forget them. What? What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them.
Just like this.
Yeah. All of the niggas that change, forget them.
I think the volume of the kick and the build up could be a little bit louder, so we're gonna make it unique and bump for the volume.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas that change, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas that change, forget them. What?
I think that's quite dope for the build up, so let's listen to what we got so far.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. I'm running the race and I'm.
So that's quite dope. I think we need to automate the volume because the build up is a little bit too loud in volume right now. So we're simply gonna use a 3D compression with a ratio at 1:1, so it doesn't compress the sound. We're only gonna automate the gain, so I think minus 4 dB could be enough.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster.
So automate it just like this.
Yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them.
We're gonna give the siren some more width. And that's it for the build up, so now we're gonna focus on arrangements. So now let's dive in arrangements. So let's copy over the parts.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah.
Just like
All
this.
of the niggas they trash, forget them.
gonna make little variations. So there could be one more impact here. Then what I like to do is add a kick to the second part. Let's add a kick to the second breakdown. So just like this. It says that the drum's gonna be filtered. We already have the lob filter animation. So first let's fix the previous one. Because right now it's filtering the breakdown as well. So just like this. For the first break. Then the second one is gonna be filtered open. Just like this. Let's spread some more movement into the start. We say that we have the animation of the side chain for the reese bass. So let's open it up. When the drums are playing, just like this. That's for the variation, so now we only need to make a little bit of an outro for it. So just copy over the drop. Riff on the drums. And just add a vocal in. So it gets kind of like an outro feeling. And that's it for arrangement. So what we made so far will sound like this. In the next part we're gonna mix it more and master it. So stay tuned for that. You can download the project file at the end of the series. So if you like the video, please hit like, see more and the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next part.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the niggas they change, forget them. What? I'm running the race and I'm faster.